In a school, set A is students who play football. Set B is students who play volleyball. If one student plays both sports, what does that student represent? A union B, B, A intersection B, C, A difference B or A without B, D, B difference A or B without A. Answer B. If universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and set A is 2, 4, 6, and 8, find A complement. A, 1, 2, 3, and 4. B, 1, 3, 5, and 7. C, 2, 4, 6, and 8. D, empty set. Answer B. Which of the following statement is true? A, every subset is also an element. B, the empty set is a subset of every set. C, the universal set has no subsets. D, two sets with the same number of elements are always equal. Answer B. If set A is X, where X is an even number less than 10, what is A? A, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. B, 2, 4, 6, and 8. C, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. D, 10, 12, 14, 16. Answer B. If number of universal set is 20 and number of set A is 8 and number of set B is 6 and 3 elements are common to both sets, find A union B. A, 11, B, 14, C, 17, D, 20. Answer B.